Kids are close already, dog. Ah, boy, Flatbush. Flatbush! Oh, those. We gotta go slap it on one little burger over there, say, you know. Sodomite! Yeah, man, that's the blood fire. Yeah. Let me see me not going right like that. Man, bag of delivery man out of this. You see it. Ragamuffin close? Oh, Saturday, yes. Saturday, them are Jewish. And that one, if I lock down the store, because I said, oh, dog. After them keep Flatbush so fresh. Hey, Ragamuffin expensive, but them fresh. You know, some cheap people don't like the freshness in it, because them cheap as fuck. How are this? Do you read? That down. Oh, but that's not a good look. How do you read that going with? I'm to them pharmacy, all the whole of the pharmacies them are closed, bro. Church Avenue look dead. Watch all this are normally full of people wait for bus and taxi and beer things. Nobody. So the thing set, man. You don't know where I go on, them here about little snow. The snow not even fall yet. And yeah, mommy got you, you see how what. And then the people them turn fool and they from Hangar Road. IAP still open. You see me? IAP is still open, bro. Dollar Tree still in action. The gym upstairs open. Yeah, bugging. Jerk chicken available, you know what I mean? All that. But yet still. Got you. Yeah, man, but yet still. You still see one and a few people on the road and things like that. I don't know why the real religion still, but behind all of that, but so I'd go with the jerk chicken stand active. It was always our next one, I said, bro. I'm gonna do over this black up road over there. We're not do that damn pig. That damn pig? In a Shell gas station, this taxi man, you bum buckler. You hungry hand and flash out my light. You bum buckler. Yeah, I want to the taxi blood clad driver. Yeah? I go on like say I'm on Church Avenue. You look panda, brother. Yeah, big up on yourself, man. But yes, what's life if you can't have some humor and some fun sometime, you know? That's what life is about, you know, bro. You can't just uptight and a screw face all day. Sometimes you have to laugh, little bro. You see me? You have to make your brain be at ease, bro. And the next time, you have to be serious. You see me? Soldier out the thing. Watch them dopey batter. You see me I talk about? You see how them dopey batter drive on Church Avenue? I forward me forward that for Church Avenue, you know, because, you know what I mean? Going up there, somebody. But them pieces right now, no, bro. Cause waste man mentality this then. Watch the man them line up behind the bus. Yo, we no can't fool so virgin. All the driver in the bus I see I saw them a man a fool virgin. Look there, look there, look there. Nobody not up there, so dog. Nobody not up there. But for some reason, bro, nobody not up there, bro. Nobody not up there, G. Nobody not up there, dog. Nobody not up there. See officer them the cross there, so. Tell the officer them say, go over there and check these two guys and ask them, say, you don't have license? Yeah. We don't know. Oh my God. Yeah. Bumbuck lad. That place over here, sir. Restaurant. You know, say Jamaican restaurant sell food any blood cleat there, bro. And I know under just 1 day or 2 day or 3 day or 4 day or 5 day or 6 day or 7 day. I know nothing like that. Every day Jamaican restaurant up, turn up. Yeah, 1 day up there, so. See, 1 day up there, so, bro. A beer blood, see line you have to go in when you're going to them the restaurant, the G. See me? Yes, side. Yeah, man. You ever see somebody where you just don't blood clot them right now? Oh, this is going pan church avenue here. Scooter man out to bash up with the car man and the bumbuck clot on the dog. Make a foam building there. Foam that in bro. You see the same foam every forward in on a blood clot refrigerator box on the stove I make a building there. Bumbo clot. You need to want to visit one girl over there. Unless she give some of the best headers over there, I just forward over there real quick and tell the bitch she come downstairs and go in on my car because me not going on a foam building go live. Fuck out of here. So I don't want a boy forward from the island and I say, yo, Ray, you know see we're all strong at Jamaica. I won't ramp with on myself, yeah? The foam bumbo clot house. Think you can style man with that. Pussy. I come tell me fucker what some little blood clot also them want $10 billion for America. Right, you know much you can build a resort to them the money there on the island, bro. If you want to be technical, you see me? And a real thing you are going to have and own in the done. You see me? Joke this. Oh, so much police over here, so bro. Like the 10 police this me see around them sides, bro. You know, so Church Avenue still actually the whole heap of taxi man them. I'm a superstar, I'm a taxi man, so they're not supposed to bother a person like me though. We would have like the things so them and them are work. So big up to the band, never do them job. That me I tell you. Go on, because I say in order to start the video, I have to have the remote. Can't find the remote, I have to lock off the video. Oh, go on.